So in this video, I'm going to show you two ways of doing your brows. The first one is using a brow lift gel and a brow pomade, okay? So I'm using products by e.l.f. You can use products of any brand. You just need a gel. You can find it in e.l.f. You have by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I'm not sure what other brands have gels, eyebrow gels. A gel that can hold your brow in space. So you need to pick up a little bit of the gel and place it in your brows. Work it very well in your brows so that you can press that gel in and mold your eyebrows into placing them however you want them to lay. Okay, so if you have very rigid brows which don't stay in place, this is a very good product. A gel is a very good product to lay your brow hairs the way you want it to. You can use the spoolie to manipulate how you want them to lay, or you can use the spatula to press them in and shape your brow hair placement. All right, so take your time, do this till the brow gel dries off and the gooey matter is gone, is dried up. Once the the gel is dry, it'll be difficult for you to manipulate your hair, so make sure that you do it while the brow gel is still wet. All right, once it is dry, you can take the brow pomade in an angled brush and start making small hair-like strokes in your brows. Make sure that you do very light-handed strokes because you don't want to fully cover your brows. You want them to look natural, and this is what a laminated brow look is all about. Okay, you need to see, it's a very high definition look. It's a very editorial kind of a look where you can see each and every hair and the way you achieve it is by placing your natural hair in place and filling in the gaps with this pomade. So this is how your brows will end up looking with this first method. If you like this, let me know in the comment section if you do your brows this way, if you prefer doing it this way. It's okay if you make a mess. You can clean it up with a finger, a wet wipe, or even a Q-tip. Okay, so it's okay if you make mistakes. It's just makeup. You can wipe it away, you can start afresh, you can start again, but it is something that needs a little bit of practice. For the other method, it's comparatively easier, and it is something that a lot of us already do. It is using a pencil. Here I'm using a brow pencil by Benefit, and you can use any brow pencil. Make sure that it is lighter than your actual hair color, because brow hair, if it's too dark, it looks too harsh on the face. All right, so pick a lighter color like a light brown or something lighter than your actual hair color. Okay, and make very hair like delicate strokes and fill in your brows. And taking a spoolie, you can brush those strokes so that nothing looks harsh. Everything looks very well blended, and you don't end up having a blocky eyebrow. Once you are done with that step, the last step is to set that brow hair, and you use a brow mascara. This is also by Benefit. You can use any brow mascara. You can even use a brown normal mascara to set your brows in place, so that your brows don't budge all day, and it looks well groomed throughout the day. All right, so this is the second way of doing your brows. I hope if you are a beginner, you liked one of these methods. Let me know, which one do you like? Do you like the laminated brow look or the pencil one? Which is your favorite? Which is the one that you want to do in your daily routine, and which is more easy? Let me know in the comment section. I prefer using both. I keep switching between both. And if you like this, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Thank you for your time. See you soon.